sealer directly over an existing floor that's been around for I don't know how long. So this can go over existing floor or brand new floor. First thing you need to do is get your floor all clean, get rid of the dust, make sure it's dust, get rid of as much dust as you can so it's dust free. The second thing is make sure you have a fan so the odors can blow away from you when you're laying it down. The next thing to do is to have a pan and a roller. It has to be a sponge roller. And of course, you have to have a mask that has a charcoal filters built into it. And you need a stick for putting your roller on. Pour it into the pan. And like I said, make sure your fan is blowing in that direction. Now we'll start rolling it, and one of the things you do when you roll it with a sponge roller, a lot of times the sponge roller will pick up a lot more product, so therefore you might have to come back and go over it a couple times to seal it. As you can see how it's sealing, I got no extra too much product on there. So then I'm just gonna keep running it over back and forth, come back and pick up the excess product and move it up towards the middle. And so then I got it all sealed. We'll leave the product sit for about 15-20 minutes and then go over it with the same roller. You can go over it with the same roller. The one thing that I recommend that when you're doing a big floor, it's good to wear shoes with spikes on them. That way you're not leaving footprints. That's an important thing. Go over it lightly over the same spot. As you can see by the way it's rolling itself out. And now it's finished and it's perfectly sealed.